Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Lunatics coin or Lunatic token on your Trust Wallet mobile app. First of all, the website we're on is currently coinmarketcap.com, and we're currently looking at the Luna coin. As you can see here, it says you should do your own research, seeing as the coin can be disabled. They can mint or transfer your tokens without prior information or any notification. So please do your own research. Once you're done with that, you simply scroll down till you get to the about, where the Lunatics, Ethereum, and BNB contract address is stored. As you can see, if you click the drop down for more, here is its BNB. You simply click on copy, close this, minimize your browser, open up Trust Wallet, and with Trust Wallet opened up, make sure you have some cryptocurrency assets stored, which is on the BEP20 network, of course. As you can see here, I've got a lot of tokens, so we can get on with the transaction. Our next step is basically going to be clicking on Discover. Once that's done, simply scroll till you find PancakeSwap. Click on PancakeSwap. Click on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, which is to make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain network. As you can see, it's currently set to BNB Smart Chain. So our next step is basically going to be clicking on this cake and pasting the contract address which we just copied. So press and hold, click on paste, and Luna T comes out. Click on import, click on I understand, click on import again, and now click on BNB. So far, so good. We're going to be swapping our Mazi for some of the Luna tokens. So let's go. Click on enable Mazi. Click on confirm. The swap option comes up. And make sure your slippage tolerance is set to 13%. So if you click on this little pencil, you can manually input 13.0 here and just click on exit, and it's set. Click on swap, click on confirm swap. Smart contract call comes in for 0.53, half of a dollar, and boom, add Luna T to your wallet. Click on OK. And our next step is simply going to be closing PancakeSwap, heading over to our wallets. As you can see here, if you scroll down, Luna T is made available for us, and you can see we also did a transaction to get it. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Luna T on your Trust Wallet mobile, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.